let's get started. Delete the scratch cat, and then we are going to choose sprite, search for paddle, and choose that. Move this to the bottom. One green flag clicked. Forever. Set X2. That's X. So we're gonna set X2, and then we are going to get out the mouse X. So now we got the paddle moving with our mouse. So now we are going to choose a ball. So choose sprite, ball, and delete all the costumes except ball B or whatever your favorite color is. You can even keep all the costumes. So one green flag clicked. Forever. We are going to go to X on top of the forever loop go to Y 154 with an exposition of, we're going to pick a random number from negative 240 to 240. So now it is going at the top of the screen, and it's always choosing a random exposition. So we are going to point in direction, and then we are going to point in a 45 degrees angle. And now we are going to move 10 steps in that direction. And if on edge, bounce. So now we see it is bouncing all around the screen, but why is it not bouncing off the paddle? Well, because we need to put an if statement, basically. If touching paddle, then turn, doesn't matter which turn block you use, pick random, 170 to 190. And so now we are going to add a black background. So to do that, convert your background to bitmap, and then holding shift in the fill tool and selecting the color black, and then click on your background, and it will change everything to black. So now go to code, and then we got almost a full pong game. But why isn't it full yet? Because you see, if we don't manage to catch the ball, we are going to, and nothing happens. Like, the game should be stopping. So to do that, duplicate your background by right-clicking, duplicate, and then we are going to type in game over. Now clicking somewhere outside, we are going to set the color to white, set the font to whatever you want. I will just do this, and then just delete everything, and then reduplicate this. Convert this to vector first, duplicate, text tool, game over with white text. We are going to make this bigger, and then we are going to, one green flag clicked, we are going to switch our background to backdrop 1. We can also grab out this line sprite. So just search up line, and we will get this line. So move this to the bottom, and then duplicate this if statement, and then we are going to change this to line, And then, instead of turning, we are going to instead do something else. We are going to switch our background to backdrop 2, and then we are going to stop all. So now we got a fully working Pong game. So hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. There will be a starter project in the description. Bye.